Namaste, welcome yogis. In today's video, I will take you through a simple meditation to help open you up to love. We're going to focus equally on giving as well as receiving love. And this is super easy. You can do it in any way that works for you. I prefer to do this by sitting up nice and tall, but you could also do this reclined, laying down on your back if this is more comfortable. What's important for this meditation is that you can turn your palms to face up towards the sky. So whether they are sitting on your lap or just laying by your sides, you just want the energy, the palms to be facing up. So go ahead and ground yourself and get settled. Taking a few breaths just to ground into the present moment. Getting comfortable in your body. Letting go of any tension in the neck or in the jaw, maybe in the low back or in the hips. And as you breathe slowly in and out through your nose, bring your awareness to your heart. Right at the center of the chest. Feel into this space. Imagine you can breathe directly into your heart. And now shift your awareness over to your left palm. So feel your left hand, the palm, the fingertips. Notice if there's any sensation here. Now, every time you inhale, imagine yourself taking in love, breathing it in from the left palm and moving it all the way into the chest, into your heart, where it can live. So feeling the flow of love as it moves from your left palm all the way up into your heart. Inhaling love, and as you exhale, let it settle into your heart. You might feel some energy or some heat around your left hand, or maybe up the arm or in the chest. Just stay with it for a few more rounds of breath. Inhaling love through your left hand. Exhaling to ground it into the heart. And now shift your awareness over to your right hand and your right palm. And for this one, every time you breathe out, imagine yourself giving love, sending love out into the world. From your heart all the way down your right arm and flowing out of your right palm. Inhaling into the heart and exhaling out the right hand. And keep going this way for a few breaths. Now let's see if we can combine these two actions to symbolize the balancing of giving and receiving love. As you breathe in, feel the love come in through your left hand and make its way up to your heart. And as you exhale, let that love flow through you, down and out of your right palm. So closing that circle, inhaling, receive love through the left hand up to the heart. Exhale, radiate that love out through your right hand. And keep going in this way, resting in the flow of your breath. Receiving love on the inhale, giving love on the exhale. And let's carefully bring the hands together at the front of the heart, closing that connection of giving and receiving, and press the thumbs right into the heart, Anjali Mudra. Take a big breath in through your nose and exhale out your mouth. Gentle bow forward. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for doing this meditation with me. And I would encourage you to maybe grab your journal or just reflect on what felt easiest to you. So did you feel more sensation in your left hand or your right hand? Is that maybe symbolic of your difficulties either in giving or in receiving love? What feels more natural and easier to do? And this is a really wonderful kind of meditation practice that you can do on a regular basis to try to cultivate a little bit of balance between those two dynamics. Thank you all so very much, and I hope to practice again with you soon.